this video, we will make white macaroni with white sauce, no? White macaroni nga eh. Nag-focus na natin yung ating sibuyas. Ayan na po yung ating mga pangsahog. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan na natin ang ating sibuyas. I-brown lang natin ng konti. Then, next natin yung bawang. Sahog natin is chicken nuggets na slice. Tapos ilagay na rin natin ito. Samahin na natin, guys. Ayan. Ayan ang ating pinaka-sauce. Parsley. Coriander pala. Yan, parsley. Coriander. Yan. Thank you so much guys for watching. This is our lunch for today for the baby and my madam. And I will do barbecue also. I will marinate this one. Yes, and I will do a barbecue. Maybe I will try to make another video. And thank you so much for watching. God bless us.